Okay, so I just wanted to make a quick little advanced video about what's happening behind the scenes on this page. So if you watched the last video, we had a page called fonts, and I showed you how to apply styles to the text on your page. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to edit this page. So you can come log in if I'm already logged in, so I'm going to click on edit here. And we did all this in this visual tab. So if we look at this heading 1 and heading 2 text, and we click on this HTML tag, so here we go. So here's the words heading 1, and you can see they're surrounded by this H1 tag. So at the beginning that opens it, and then at the end it's slightly different, which closes it. And the H2 text is surrounded by what's called a H2 tag. So H2 opens and H2 closes. So paragraph is surrounded by a paragraph tag, which is this P, open, close. Address, surrounded by an address tag, so it opens it here, closes it here. Pre-formatted uses this. And then this quotes. So this B quote is what makes the box and indents it in from the left and the right. That closes it here. And then inside that quote box, it's actually in paragraph format. So if you want to, you can change things in the code behind the scenes. So if we just copy the end of this H1 tag and replace the H2 tag, paste there, and I need to replace the one at the front as well. So let's copy that one, and we'll replace that H2 with the H1 equivalent. And also, let's just take that H1, right click copy, and we'll make this a H1 instead of a paragraph. So let's paste, and we need to close it with this same one. So let's take the end H1 tag, and let's replace this end paragraph with the ending of the H1 tag. Okay. So we've taken H1, it's already surrounded by H1 tags. We've taken the words heading 2, and we've surrounded them with H1 tags as well. And we've taken the word quotes, and we've surrounded it by H1 tags as well. So let's update the page, and I'll show you what happens. Right, so we'll go back to visual. So you see an indication of what's going on here. Do you see these are now looking very similar? And this quote down here looks like one of these as well. But it's not until we view page. There we go. So just because we changed what surrounded this word heading 2 with the H1 tag, and do you see how quotes has done the same? And we could edit this page, and we could go back into the HTML tag, and we could change those back again. Well, let's just go back into visual. And if I highlight H2, see it tells me now it's a H1 tag. We can turn that back to H2. And this one, so it's quotes and H1, so we could change that back to, let's say, paragraph. So now if we highlight that, we can see it's paragraph and it's quotes. I think if we click now, we can take the quotes away. Yes, there we go. And then we could put quotes back again. So just quickly update page, view page, and there we go.